Hello guys, so I think you remember what are the things we were discussing in the last video. We were doing about addition of fraction. I'll little bit revise it and then we'll move ahead with something more. Fraction is nothing but it's simply part of a whole, right? Part means part I used to represent as a numerator, the top one, and the entire whole is written as the denominator. Now addition, like it's 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6 suppose. So whenever you get a question where the LCM are different, like in this question, like I mean the denominators are different, we need to calculate the LCM. So there is a way of calculating LCM of 3 and 6. I'm doing it for you guys. 3 ones are and 2, then it is going to be 2, it's going to be 1 comma 1, so the LCM is going to be 6. That means I have to make both the denominators same. So just to make this 6 I have to multiply 2, and you just don't have to multiply in the denominator, but the same number has to be multiplied in the numerator also. This is already 6, so keep it the way it is, and you don't have to add the denominator, no, only the numerator has to be added. 9 by 6. If you want to write in a simplified form, it is going to be 3 by 2. So this is all about addition of this topic. Now we will be talking about subtraction of fraction. Now let's come to what subtraction of fraction is all about. In subtraction, what we used to do is that, suppose if there is a question like it is 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6, or suppose if I am taking 3 by 3 or 5 by 6, whatever you want to take. The LCM is going to be 6 only, right? So what you need to multiply here? You need to multiply 2 here, right? So it's going to be 6 by 6 minus 5 by 6. Again, the denominator need not to be minus. We only have to minus the numerator. So 6 minus 5 is going to be 1, is going to be 1 by 6. So this is all about subtraction of the same, right? A little bit I'll tell you about the multiplication also. In the multiplication, what we do, that suppose if it is 2 by 3 is getting multiplied by 4 by 5, we simply multiply the numerators together as well as the denominators are also multiplied together. That is 2 4s are, that is 8. And if you multiply the denominator 3 5s are, that is going to be 50. Right? Suppose let's take another question. 1 by 2 is getting multiplied by 2 by 3 is getting multiplied by 4 by 6. Right? So here what you have to do, multiply 1 into 2 into 4. Right, that is going to be 8. You need to multiply all 3 of them. That is going to be 2 3s are 6, 6 6 are 36. If you want to solve it, you can further solve it and write it into simpler form. If you divide it 8 and 36, you will get 4 and it will become 18. If you want to divide it further, it will be 2 by 9. That is the simplified form of the same. Right. The last, that is the division of the same topic I will be discussing in the coming video. Till then, stay tuned and let's wait for the next video. And you guys can even tell me what we have to do when the division will happen. I'll write a question for you guys. Give it a try and tell me. You can post a comment in the chat. Okay, let's see. Take care. Bye bye guys.